Welcome back to our channel. Today we have another snack crate box, and we're just gonna get into it, guys. Let's see what snack crate has
New
in store
Zealand?
for us.
Do we have that?
New Zealand.
Can you see?
All right. Okay. Yep. Let's get in there. All right. Let's see. I'll take that. All right. What's going on, New Zealand? All right. Let's get into New Zealand. Where are we gonna start? Let's start with snack balls. These little round salted caramel delights are made with cashews and coconut. Wait a minute. Cashews and shredded coconut, so you don't have to feel guilty about eating the whole bag. I had something like this before. I have something that looks just like these in my little, I have a earth box that I do on my channel, Single Mom Good Job Done. Check that out. And I had something that looks similar to these. You can also find me on Facebook. That's where I feature all my stuff from that. But anyway, back to this video.
It's good.
Yeah.
I don't really want it.
Snack ball.
I don't want it.
Yep, these might be the same thing. Vegan, gluten free, dairy free, non-GMO. Where's she sneaking away to? I like them. Alright guys, next we have chocolate fish. Often rewarded to children for a job well done. This fish-shaped marshmallow is enrobed with a layer of rich Cadbury dairy milk-free chocolate. And whenever Brooklyn get it out, we can try it.
For what? Okay, chocolate fish.
Yeah.
Oh, there.
And our Lola's in the background making noise as usual.
What's it called?
Chocolate fish.
No.
Hush up, Lola.
Chocolate fish?
Right.
There happens to be two. No, that's the different thing.
Lola don't want us eating without her. But you can't have these snacks, Lola.
Maybe.
Nope.
Hey, have you noticed we never got the snack crate for us? We never got the snack crate for us. That looks nasty. It's a fish.
Oh,
No, I'm good.
Girl,
I don't
you
eat
gotta
that.
try it. You only live once.
I can't eat something
Got the
that's
name of
sticky.
these. They used to have this stuff around Halloween here. I was like, it remind me of,
Gum.
no, it's those little pink rabbity things that we have here around Easter. It's usually filled with this. And I can't think of it right now, but this reminds me of it from here.
Them chocolate bunnies.
They don't be chocolate, it be this stuff on the inside. So, next, we have pineapple lumps. Please, Lola, hush. To the Monroe.
I don't want it. It's sticky.
Okay. It's a little sticky.
I don't like sticky stuff.
It's sticky.
Nope.
Wow.
Never.
It's so sticky.
It melted.
It's like a regular caramel ball. Chocolate outside. Caramel inside. It's okay. Not something I want to keep eating. All right, next. Pixie caramel. Oh my God, all these little chocolate. If you're looking for a long longer lasting chew than this hard caramel covered in rich dark chocolate is a Kiwi classic for you. I know one thing, I'm tired of chocolate. Alright, come on, New Zealand with the chocolates and the fillings. Yeah.
I need a tiny piece.
That tastes just like the other one. It's no different than the one we just had before. Chocolate and caramel. Alright. Well, pineapple lump.
What did you say?
Pineapple lump. Yeah. It's not disgusting. It's not bad, actually.
It's okay. It's a little bit of both.
The chocolatey. And we do have a pineapple flavoring. It's something you have to get used to. I'll say that. I don't know what I would compare it to from here. But let's move on to the next. Monroe Bar. Need a boost? This snack will deliver. Enjoy Cadbury, chocolate cover, caramel, and seduce your taste bud with this chewy New Zealand favorite featuring a soft pineapple flavoring center coated in delicious milk chocolate. Oh no. Let's break, yeah.
I can't eat that. It's too hard.
Is it hard? Or is it just like the other little candy with that pink stuff in the middle?
Yeah, that's hard. I can't eat.
Alright guys, next is Munchie Spicy Tomato. Munchie isn't just any old chip. This crunchy corn snack provides a fiery flavor explosion with the perfect blend. It finally got some chips. Y'all, New Zealand, come on with the chocolates. I'm over all the chocolate. Over it. Thanks for some chips.
Up too much.
Let's get into these chips because the chocolate.
I don't know.
Right.
What's in there?
We have a chip here called Munchos. And this is a fuller version of those. Because ours was more like a corn cone maybe type thing. And it's more wafery like, but it's a chip. And this, I mean, this will be the sister chip. And it's called Munchos. They're not bad. Are you right about can't stop the munchies? They good.
What's in there?
I'm good. Yummy. Spicy tomato.
It's sour.
That's good. Well, next. Let me move on to the next one. Sherbet Fritz. These wonderful, tasty and chewy candy tubes are the ideal way to satisfy your craving for both licorice and sherbet.
It's those little, what's those things called?
Like a...
What are those things called?
Twizzlers.
No.
What?
Another thing.
Just bite it.
The small
Just bite one end, I bite the other end.
I can't.
You didn't already beat it though. Just eat it.
I barely even bit it.
Alright, these are fruit roll-ups.
No, it's those little things that start with an M. It's not Mentos. It's pink. It has an inside, and it's a candy. And I don't know.
It's good, but
We'll go to Walmart and see.
What's it called?
I'm seeing the inside.
It reminds me of fruit roll-up. Something with a filling candy on the outside with
I forgot what it called.
filling on the inside. That's not bad. And she's squeezing the stuff out of it. Yep. Alright, guys, next. Peanut butter slab. A Kiwi favorite since 1896. This rich milk chocolate bar is generously filled with roasted peanuts, making it a perfect late night indulge. Ooh, more chocolate. I don't know about this one now. Not excited about another piece of chocolate. Cut it in half, guys.
It's too hard.
Alright. So you don't want to try it, so it's actually not hard.
Really? Ooh, peanuts.
That's not bad. As y'all can tell, I'm over chocolate. I'm a chocolate fan, but this box is full of chocolate. Overkill. All right, next. ETA Ripples. Made with New Zealand grown potatoes. These ultra crunchy snack features the perfect blend of fresh herbs and savory chicken seasoning. Those chips?
Yes. Ripples.
Thought they was chocolate. All right.
I was just thinking that. It said to make potatoes.
It tastes like a seasoning. It tastes like a basil. Some type of seasoning. They got it right. Herbs. It tastes just like herbs. But it's not bad. Not bad. Giving us a break from chocolate. Which I was getting real tired of. Those are good, guys. All right, guys. Next, fruit burst. Last but not least.
Hard candy.
Yeah, let's see. I got bite down this chewy lolly to experience a burst of fruity flavors like banana, strawberry, wild berry, orange, and lemon lime. And I think I have wild berry.
That's a lemon lime. There's no lemon lime.
I got wild berry. You got what flavor?
Orange. I can't bite it. I can't bite it.
I said, okay. It looks kind of hard for somebody with braces, so. That's like a.
I have no idea.
Heavy, but it's hard. So hard.
I feel like it's hard.
They have nope. These are way harder. It's like they had it in a freezer. But anyway, guys, we've tried everything from Snack Crate. I'm over the chocolate. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.